Good morning, children. Today we are going to study new chapter trigonometry. Trigonometry means the science deals with the study of measurement of triangles. The word trigonometry is derived from the Greek word tri means three, metri means metron, and gon means sides. Tri, three, gon, sides. Metron means measurements. Actually, trigonometry is the study of the relationship between the ratios of triangles, ratios of sides and angles of a triangles. Actually, trigonometry deals with the study of the ratios of sides and angles of a triangle. Based on acute angles of a right-angled triangle, we have 6 trigonometric ratios. They are sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. The short form of, look at the board, the short form of sine, S-I-N-E, sine is S-I-N, sine, and cosine, cos, short form of cosine is cos, and short form of tangent is tan. Cosecant, short form of cosecant is cosec, and short form of secant is sec. Short form of cotangent is cot. Trigonometric ratios are in sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. 6 trigonometric ratios are sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Sine of an angle is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, and cos of an angle is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan of an angle is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, and cosec of an angle is hypotenuse by opposite side, means the reciprocal of side. Cosec of an angle is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side, means a reciprocal of side, and sec of an angle is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent, means reciprocal of cos, and cot of an angle is equal to adjacent side by opposite, means reciprocal of tan. Now listen, based on this, consider triangle ABC is a right angled triangle, right angle that B, and its acute angles are angle A and angle C. Based on angle A, the side which is opposite to angle A is BC. This BC is the opposite side, and the side which is adjacent to angle A, AB, this is the adjacent side, and this AC is the longer side, it is the hypotenuse. Listen, based on angle A, this side is the opposite side, and the side which comes adjacent to the angle is adjacent side, and longer side is hypotenuse. Our first ratio, sine of angle A. What is sine? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Which is the opposite side? BC by hypotenuse is AC. So sine of angle A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is BC by hypotenuse is AC. We can name this opposite side by another name, perpendicular. This is perpendicular, and adjacent side another name, base. Here this adjacent side is the base, and this opposite side is perpendicular. Second one, cos A. What is the formula for cos A? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is AB by hypotenuse AC. Then tan A. Tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent. Opposite side BC by adjacent side is AB, and cosec A. Cosec A is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse AC by opposite side is BC. Here cosec A is the reciprocal of sin A. Sin A BC by AC. So cosec A is AC by BC. Next one, sec A. Sec A is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side. Which is the adjacent side AB. The sec A is the reciprocal of cos A. And cot A. What is cot A? Cot A is equal to adjacent side by opposite. Adjacent side is AB divided by opposite side is BC. AB by BC is the reciprocal of BC by tan A. Cot A is the reciprocal of tan A, or tan A is the reciprocal of cot A. So based on this angle A, we have 6 trigonometric ratios. Again, based on this acute angle, another acute angle is in this triangle, another acute angle is C. Based on this angle C, acute angle C, we can also write 6 trigonometric ratios. Based on this angle C, this AB is the opposite side. This is the opposite side. Angle C, opposite side is this one, and adjacent side is BC. Adjacent side BC. Based on angle C, BC is the adjacent side. The side which is adjacent to angle C is BC. And the side which is opposite to angle C is AB. Then what is sin C? Sin C is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. AB by hypotenuse is same. AB by AC. Sin C. Then what is cos C? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. BC by AC. Tan C. Tan C is opposite side by adjacent. That is AB by BC. Then sin cos tan cosec C. Cosec C is equal to a reciprocal of sin AC by AB. Then sec C. Sec C is the reciprocal of cos C. AC by BC. And cot C. Cot C is the reciprocal of tan. BC by AB. BC by AB. Listen. Sin C, opposite side by hypotenuse. AB by BC. Cos C, adjacent side by hypotenuse. BC by AC. Tan C, opposite side by adjacent. AB by BC. Then cosec C is the reciprocal of sin C. AC by AB. Sec C is the reciprocal of cos C. AC by BC. And tan C, cot C is the reciprocal of tan C. BC by AB. Now, based on the two acute angles of a right angle triangle, we can write 6 trigonometric ratios. Next heading, relationship between different trigonometric ratios. Different trigonometric ratios. First one, sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, and cosec A is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side. Sin A opposite side by hypotenuse, cosec A is reciprocal. Therefore, sin A is equal to 1 by cosec A, or cosec A is equal to 1 by sin A. So what is sin A into cosec A? Sin A into cosec A is equal to 1. Sin A is equal to 1 by cosec A. Cosec A is equal to 1 by sin A. And sin A into cosec A is equal to 1. This is the first relation. Second one, cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is sec A? Sec A is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side. So, cos A is equal to 1 by sec A, comma sec A is equal to 1 by cos A. Cos A into sec A is equal to, therefore, cos A into sec A is equal to 1. Then third, tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Cot A is equal to adjacent, it's reciprocal, adjacent side by opposite side. Tan A is equal to 1 by cot A, or cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. Therefore, tan A into cot A is equal to 1. These are some reciprocal relations. Next relation, quotient relations. Quotient relations. We know that sin A is equal to opposite side by adjacent, opposite side by hypotenuse, and cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So what is sin A by cos A? Sin A by cos A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse division adjacent side by hypotenuse equals opposite side by hypotenuse. Division means multiplication by taking reciprocal into hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse cancelled. Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. What is opposite side by adjacent side? Is equal to tan A. Opposite side by adjacent side is tan A. So, quotient relation 1. Sin A by cos A is equal to tan A. Cos A is equal to tan A. 1. Second quotient relation, cos A by sin A is equal to cot A, opposite of reciprocal of tan A. Sin A by cos A, tan A. Cos A by sin A, cot A. Now, next one, square relations. Square relations or trigonometric identities. Square relations or trigonometric identities based on one acute angle of a right angled triangle ABC. Based on this angle A, BC is the opposite side and AB is the adjacent side and AC is the hypotenuse. For finding square relations, first we write all 6 trigonometric ratios. First one, sin A. Sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, BC by AC. Cos A, adjacent side by hypotenuse, AB by AC. And tan A, opposite side by adjacent. Tan A is opposite side, BC by adjacent, AB. Then sin cos tan. Cosec A is the reciprocal of sin A. Cosec A is equal to AC by BC. And sec A is the reciprocal of cos A. AC by AB. And cot A is the reciprocal of tan A. AB by BC. Now, our relation is first one, sin square A plus cos square A equals, what is sin A? Sin A is BC by AC. So, sin square A is BC by AC whole square plus cos square A, AB by AC whole square is equal to BC square by AC square plus AB square by AC square. These two have common denominator AC square, that upon BC square plus AB square. From the figure, it is a right angled triangle. What is BC square plus AB square? This one is a right angled triangle. So, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. So, BC square plus AB square is AC square. AC square by AC square is equal to 1. Reason AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So, what is the relation? Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Therefore, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. From this, what is sin square A? Sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A, and cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. So, our first identity is sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. From that, we can find sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A and cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. Then, our second relation is sec square A minus tan square A. What is sec A? Sec A is AC by AB whole square minus tan square A, BC by AB whole square equals AC square by AB square minus BC square by AB square, common denominator AB square upon AC square minus AB square. Sorry, AC square minus BC square. From the figure, what is AC square minus BC square. AC square minus BC square is AB square by AB square is equal to 1 bracket AC square minus BC square is equal to AB square. So our second identity is sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. From this, what is sec square A? C square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A, and tan square A is equal to sec square A minus 1. Our second identity is c square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. From this, c square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A, and tan square A is equal to sec square A minus 1. Tan square A goes to right side, it is positive, and this one goes to left side, it is negative. C square A minus 1 is equal to tan square A. Now, our third identity is, what is cosec square A minus cot square A? Cosec square A minus cot square A. Cosec square A, C by BC whole square minus cot square A is AB by BC whole square equals AC square by BC square minus AB square by BC square. Here common denominator BC square upon AC square minus AB square. From the figure, what is AC square minus AB square is equal to BC square by BC square is equal to 1. Since AC square minus AB square is equal to BC square. Therefore, cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. Cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A, and cot square A is equal to cosec square A minus 1. Cosec square A minus cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. Cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A, and cot square A is equal to cosec square A minus 1. These are the trigonometric identities, and the value of A is in between 0 to 90. Value of A is in between 0 to 90. When we put any value for A, we will get the identity true. Always we get the identity is true when we put any value of A in between 0 and 90. So our trigonometric identities are, first one sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, and second one c square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. Third, cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. Thank you.